Ranger Rabbit plant flowers in the park today.
Yeah, me too. And now we have these extra flowers that we can plant around our exploring clubhouse.
Yeah, that was super fun. But we don't have to go plant them right now, do we?
I guess not. Why?
Because then we could play a game of tag.